Hello guys and welcome to this video. Today I will show you step by step how to join Kitt Gaming Discord server. So before I wish guys watch this video till the end and let's get started. Search guys on Google Kitt Gaming Discord, as you can see here. Click on first result and click just accept invite and you will redirect it to official server Discord to Kitt Gaming. This is server guys, and let's get started. Click yes and click next and click yes and next, click yes and back, next and see the rule as you can see here and click finish. And boom, I joined this server guys. So I hope guys this video helpful for you. Then don't forget to subscribe and like and share this video for more content. Any question guys down below and comment here and I will answer your question. See you soon.